Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up Streamlabs for recording. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Setting up Streamlabs OBS for recording on Windows is a straightforward process. Here's a step to begin with. Visit the Streamlabs OBS website and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Streamlabs OBS on your Windows PC. Once installed, launch Streamlabs OBS from the desktop shortcut or the start menu. Before you start recording, you may want to configure some settings. Click on the settings button in the bottom left corner of Streamlabs OBS. In the video settings tab, you can adjust your base, resolution, and output resolution. Set the FAS according to your preference. On system capabilities, 30 or 60 is common for recordings. In the audio settings tab, configure audio inputs and outputs. Choose your microphone and desktop audio devices. Ensure they are correctly set up for recording. In the output settings tab, choose where you want to save your recordings. Choose the recording format, usually MP4 is recommended, and set your desired recording quality. Now, go back. Create scenes and add sources to them. Sources can include your game capture, webcam, overlays, and any other elements you want to include in your recording. Click on the plus icon in the scenes box to create a new scene, and then click on the plus icon in the sources box to add sources to the scene, and just follow the prompts to add a display capture. Then resize and reposition the source. Once you have set up your scenes and sources, you're ready to start recording. Click on the record button in the bottom right corner of Streamlabs OBS to begin recording. To stop recording, either click on stop recording button or use the hotkey again. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.